Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to refill lives in Gardenscapes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Gardenscapes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Gardenscapes, guys, go ahead and log into your account. So you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the Gardenscapes main page, where you can go ahead and click on the play button. And after clicking on the play button, it's going to go ahead and take you to this new page where you can see where you can get started playing your mini games. You can see all of your coins, your lives, and so on. So guys, there are a couple of ways to get and refill lives in Gardenscape. So the first one is, as you can see, you can wait for your lives to refill. So as you can see, you need half an hour, 30 minutes for every life to refill. So you can either go ahead and wait that, or guys, if you're in a hurry, you can just go ahead and buy new lives. So you can play minigames and earn coins, and with those coins, you can buy more lives to play more. So you can either buy coins to exchange them for lives, or you can get lives from your teammates in your clan by exchanging them with your team. They can send you new lives. But yeah guys, basically those are the three ways that you can get more and unlimited lives in Gardenscapes. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.